All right, second video on this 1970 or 69 Mercedes 280 SE. So from the first video, I pointed out some things. I seen the new receiver dryer there, and not that I don't trust people when they put things together, but I don't trust people when they put things together at the fittings there. So either the little copper washer under there fell off, it got crooked to the side, or they're completely missing it. I'm gonna check tightness too. But yeah, I often, when I see other people's work, I go right to it first, because unfortunately human beings cause most of the problems that do happen. I'll be back on let's see what it looks like. Right now it's under just refrigerant pressure of 57 psi. I'm gonna pump this thing up to 200 psi, but right now just with refrigerant at 57 psi, this is the result of the leakage. Let's see what we got here. If you see how thick this is, this stuff is more like syrup than it is like a liquid soap. Check these little caps right here where plugs, where switches are supposed to go. They leak sometimes. And then completely coat. Just follow your hoses. I'll do this right now for you, but completely follow your hoses the whole entire way. Brush them, squirt them, do whatever you're gonna do. But you might have like one bubble come up, and it comes one bubble every minute, every 4 minutes, just one little bubble comes up. And then 4 minutes later, one more bubble comes up. That's a leak, if it is like that. So you see in the refrigerant leak detector, there's the bubbles forming now. See them? Right there. So it's either coming from the beveled finish of where the copper gasket is over here, or it's the hose through here where it crimps and it's coming out from underneath there, and it's coming that way. This needs to be taken apart, put new gaskets on, see if it still leaks. I'm gonna go along all the hoses and see if there's any more, but this was the big obvious one. But still, we don't stop right there. I still need to, there's no power going down here, so I still need to see if the compressor's working. Do I have pressure? Do I have suction? And we'll keep going. Come back.